it's always popping on the left. I do wear a night guard, but it's always like tender up here. I think I have a pop in there somewhere today.
Okay, let's see. Open and close. Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. Yeah.
I felt it.
So her jaw deviates to the left there. She's a dental hygienist, so
yeah.
today
Yeah.
she's finally getting her mouth work done.
Yes.
And relax for me here. Tender there?
Uh-huh. Oh, but good.
Good. Good. One more on this side, okay?
Okay.
Good.
Uh-huh. That was good.
Again for me? Good. That's so much better, right?
Yeah.
Oh my
I love
gosh.
it.
So
Every
much
time.
better.
Too good. Too good.
Look how much straighter that is. Does that feel better
Yeah.
for you?
Uh-huh.
No more popping and clicking, right?
Uh-uh.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good.